So I'm going quickly in the garden now. So it has, of course, connection to water and power. The owner also installed 1100 liters of water tank. It's a small lot. It's an eighth of an acre. But you see that with some landscape and some work, it could be much more nicer. I like actually that the terrace has been so from the 2 bedrooms you have access to this balcony, the balcony. And we are, 10-minute drive south from San Juan del Sur? It's a nice location. The road access is not the best, to tell you the truth. We are 300 meters off-road. And it's a dirt road to get access in. There is no community fee here.